Hi, this is Kelly Ford with Microsoft. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate Microsoft Dynamics using a screen reader. For this demo, I will use the JAWS screen reader, but these steps will be similar for most screen readers. Dynamics itself has many different areas, but each area can be navigated in a similar fashion. To start, I'll use the Skip to Main Content link to reach the navigation area of Dynamics.
Link skip to main content. Navigate Dynamics 365 navigation region.
Now, I'm going to press down arrow until I reach a tree view.
Sitemap button expanded. Heading level 2. Navigate Dynamics 300. Navigate Dynamics 365. Tree view item selected. 1 of 2.
From this point, I can press enter and JAWS will make a sound to let me know it's in forms mode.
Navigate Dynamics 360.
Right now, I happen to have focus on email templates, but I can easily navigate elsewhere by using the up and down arrow keys.
Email signatures. Email templates. Customer assets. EOT alert. Knowledge search. Knowledge articles.
In your Dynamics environment, you might hear a different set of names for the sections based on how your organization chose to set it up. But the principles of navigation remain the same. I'm going to go to Cases and press Enter.
Knowledge analytics. Customer service. Queues. Cases. 1 records found.
Dynamics has loaded what is called a view. In this situation, my active cases. I can jump to the table listing cases by pressing T for table. From the table, I can press Shift+1 to go back to a heading and button if I want a different view.
My active cases heading level 1 button menu collapsed menu.
I can press Enter to open the collapsed menu.
Menu views context menu.
I can use the arrow keys to navigate to the view I want and press Enter to open it.
Active cases 2 of 26. Active cases from EOT alert. Active cases open to the left. Active cases with parent child status 5 of 20. All cases 6 of 26. Leaving menus. Cases my active cases. Cases my active cases main region. My active cases heading level 1 button menu.
I've just opened a view of all my active cases. To read it, I can use standard table navigation commands, such as Control-Alt-Down arrow to navigate down a column.
Select all rows button. Case title button menu. Link average order shipment time. Row 2. Link complete overall required. Row. Link contact details requested. Row 4.
And I can read across the row by using Control-Alt-Right arrow.
Case number cos 012 priority. Normal column 4. Origin. Email column 5.
If I want to return to the tree view to choose a different Dynamics area, I can navigate back to the beginning of the web page by pressing Control-Home and then down arrow.
Cases all cases Dynamics 365. Link skip to main content. Navigate Dynamics 365. Sitemap button expand. Heading level 2. Navigate Dynamics. Preview item selected. Navigate Dynamics.
Hint. JAWS has a shortcut of C that finds not only combo boxes, but also tree views. Hopefully this gives you a few more ideas on what you need to do to navigate Microsoft Dynamics with a screen reader. Thank you for watching.